Have you ever imagined using your phone like an agentic coding machine? One where you're running powerful CLI agents like Cline Agent, Anthropic's Claude Code, and even Google's Antigravity CLI agent locally. That brings autonomous multi-step reasoning, local tool execution directly to your shell. By using these agents, you can do agentic coding right on your phone and build any kind of project, whether it's websites or games. They can do everything for you. In fact, the expense tracker web app you see on the screen was built using AI agents without writing a single line of code. It's fully functional. Everything works perfectly. I can push it to GitHub and even deploy it on Vercel if I want. Similarly, I created this snake game, the one you see on the screen, using these same agents. I can even make changes to it just by giving instructions to the agents. They can literally create anything for me, whatever task I give them. You can easily run these agents on any phone without rooting it. And if you connect your phone to a wireless keyboard or mouse, it turns into an agentic coding machine. Just tell them in plain English what you want them to build, and they'll start writing the code and deliver the completed project without stopping or getting tired. Let's do one thing. Let's test these three agents by having them build a website. So I'm giving the same prompt to all three agents to build a functional SaaS website from scratch. I'll put all three of them to work. Just think about the times we're living in, having to test AI agents by running them over the phone. All three have started working. Let's see how they build the website. I'll fast forward this so I can show you quickly. Cline threw an error, so I had to give it the prompt again. Well, all three agents have finished the job, and our website is ready. Antigravity launched the preview server automatically, but I had to start the other two manually to view the preview. So, here are the three websites. They look good, and hopefully they're functional too. The Claude Code website is working perfectly, but the cards on the Antigravity website are getting stuck on the screen. There seems to be a glitch there, and the Cline website is pretty good too. All three of them did a great job. In my opinion, Claude Code is excellent. They built a fully functional website that's completely error-free. Now that we've seen what it can do, let's go ahead and install it on the phone without delay. First, we'll install Antigravity and then Claude Code. To install it, you'll need Termux. The link is in the description, and all the other commands I'll be using are in the description as well. So, open the Termux app and run pkg install proot-distro and let it run. Wait for it to finish. Once that's done, type proot-distro install Ubuntu and run that as well. After that, type proot-distro login Ubuntu and run it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need the Antigravity installation command. It's provided in the description so you can copy it from there and paste it exactly as is. The installation will take some time, so wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, refresh the terminal using the command shown on screen. Now, everything is set. We can launch Antigravity, so type AGY and hit enter. This will launch Antigravity in your Termux. Now, we just need to sign in, so select the first option and hit enter. It will give you a login URL or take you to a login page, so log in with whichever Google account you want. Once you log in, it will give you a confirmation code, so copy that code. Go back to the Termux app and paste this code in, then hit enter, and it will verify your account. Yep, we've successfully set up Antigravity on our phone. Now you can ask it anything and it'll do it for you. Let's set up OpenClaude. For that, visit this repository. The link is in the description. Once you're there, scroll down and copy the OpenClaude installation command. Open the Termux app and paste this copied command into Termux, then hit enter. The installation will start and it might take a few minutes, so grab a cup of coffee and let it finish. Once the installation finishes, type OpenClaude in your Termux and OpenClaude will launch. Now we just need to set it up, so press enter to continue. Now, it will ask you to log in. For that, select the third option, called Third-Party Platform, and hit Enter. After that, we need to set our AI provider. You can choose any provider you want, but I want to use OpenCode, so let me select that. Then, give your model ID, whichever model you want to use. I want to use DeepSeek v4 Flash, so I'll type that in. Next, it will ask for an API key. Let me copy my OpenCode API key. You can get your free API key from OpenCode Zen. It offers several free models, so you can try them out. For the rest of it, just keep pressing enter until the setup finishes. Now that the setup is finished, we can assign it any task, and it will handle it for you. And for the Cline agent, I've dropped the installation command in the description. You can install it yourself, just like you did with Antigravity. So that's it for today's video. I hope you successfully set up your CLI agents on your phone. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're running into any errors, drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. To watch more AI and agentic videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.